What up guys? So we have a drive today. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Maging nonchalant driver tayo. Alam nyo ba itong lugar na to? Comment down below. Erwin at Gcash Fresh. Charot. Kami naman dito. Napag na kami.
Pupunta na kayo.
Guys, back to biyahe. Bilis no. Bilis ng transition from NLEX to Pasay. Real quick, sana all. And that's it guys. So paalala ko lang lahat sa bumibiyahe, lagi natin ugaling magbigay ng sapat na tulog at pahinga dahil kailangan natin yan para gising sa biyahe. Peace out. Another day, another blessing guys.
It is like, big deal, straight shows like, make it this, make it that like, don't lie, you know how I sound like. I'm in the streets, so this lady's like, big deal, straight shows like, make it